What is a conditional ternary operator?
A conditional or ternary operator is a shortcut for writing if-else statements in many programming languages. It lets you choose between two values in a single line based on whether a condition is true or false. This makes your code concise and easier to read, especially for simple checks and assignments.
Ternary operator syntax explained.
The typical syntax looks like this: condition, true, value if true, value if false. The operator tests the condition before the question mark. If the condition is true, it returns the first value. If false, it returns the second value. This pattern helps eliminate multiple lines of if-else code for simple logic.
A simple example in code.
Suppose you want to check if a person is old enough to vote. Age equals 18, parentheses, not eligible. If age is 18 or more, it returns eligible. Otherwise, it returns not eligible. This replaces a longer if-else block with a clear one-line statement.
When should you use ternary operators?
The ternary operators are best for simple conditions that return a value. Use them for assignments or when passing values based on a quick check. However, avoid them for complex expressions or when multiple steps are needed, as this can reduce readability.
Tips for cleaner code with ternary operators.
Make sure the condition and both return values are easy to understand at a glance. If the logic gets complicated, switch to a regular if-else statement to keep your code readable and maintainable.